What's the name of this yellow bird again?
Which one?
The yellow one that's making the nest.
Southern mossed weaver.
Southern mossed weaver.
Yeah, he's over there.
Fly back, little guy. I'm gonna wait on you right now and I'll get this perfect little video.
Here he comes.
I got him. I got him. You've seen him put together a whole nest in a day?
Yes.
That's awesome.
Well, he started all three of these sort of 2 days ago.
Really?
This is now the third day that he's working.
It's so cute how he builds that nest. My mom would like that one, huh, babe?
Mm-hmm.
Beautiful birds, huh?
Yeah. He's so bright yellow.
The one with the really long tail.
Yeah, that one's cool.
What's that one called? The bird with the really long tail. It's kind of a
What
small
color is
bird.
it?
I think the tail's like black.
It's has like this really.
Here's the people.
Oh, I got that on video. So they do it together. They do it together, huh?
Action here on the branch here. Look how he's shaking his tail and his wings and stuff.
Go down. Yeah,
There they go.
she's yelling at him too. Better than that.
What was he doing?
She's
Oh,
right
she's
there. If you
sort
go
of-
down, you can see it.
She's inspecting and putting a bit of padding on the inside. That's obviously the nest that they're probably going to put the eggs in.
Yeah. That's super cool to see, huh? Nature. She's like, I don't want that. Take that out of here.
Pretty much.
Yeah.
Yeah, if she doesn't like the nest, she'll come and rip it down. And he'll
Really?
swallow it again.
Hold on, I'm getting a lizard. What is he called? Hey babe, do you have...
Which flavor do you like?
Watering hole outside. We're at Rhulani in Madikwe, South Africa. Where's the lion? Good old Impala. Taking a drink at our water hole.
These are really sweet.
It's so cool how they all travel together.